How to see sent friend requests on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can see sent friend requests on Facebook. So let's dive in. So first, open up your Facebook app and click these three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner that says menu. And then you have to just come to this menu page, and here you have to click the see more option. And then you have to find this friends option over here in this menu and click this friends option. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click this friend request option. And now it's going to bring you to this friend request page, and here you'll be on this page. Now you'll be able to see these three dots right next to friend requests. Click these three dots and it's going to pop up with this menu where you'll see this view sent requests, and you have to click this option. And it's going to open up this page where you'll be able to see all the sent requests. I haven't sent any, so you cannot see any in my list, but when you send someone a friend request, it will appear here. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.